Can someone keep that, just that 4 beat? Aaron will keep that 4 beat. Should we add them all together with the tuba?
There's no who you're gonna call?
Huh? We play that, but you can also sing it. If you're pretty sure you know the part, play it louder. It's a special technique we've invented here at the School of Honk. Let's try one more time.